Malindi Beach stands as a testament to nature's artistry, captivating visitors with its breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture. Tonight, on Magical Scenes, Muchuma Odim takes us to the powdery white sands of Malindi, its crystal clear turquoise water and lush palm trees along the beach. A slice of paradise waiting to be explored.
Welcome to Malindi. Early risers are greeted by the soothing sound of waves lapping against the shore, a perfect backdrop for morning meditation or a leisurely stroll along the coastline. Malindi Beach, a haven for those seeking tranquility, arguably offers an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For adventure enthusiasts, Malindi Beach is a playground for exhilarating activities. From snorkeling in the vibrant coral reefs to kite surfing on the gentle waves, there is no shortage of excitement. The underwater world is teeming with life, where colorful fish dart among the corals and sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. Guided tours provide an opportunity for visitors to immerse themselves in the region's rich marine biodiversity, making unforgettable memories along the way.
Tumekuja kuona maji, kuenjoy huku ndani, samaki unaona live kabisa. Yani Safari Blue, mambo safi kabisa.
So good, it's amazing. It's my first time and I'm so excited. I hope I will come next time.
Tujawahi kufika mahali kama hapa, lakini leo Mungu ametujalisha tumefika mahali.
As the day unfolds, the beach becomes alive with the vibrant culture of Malindi. Local vendors showcase their crafts, offering handmade jewelry, wood carvings, and vibrant textiles that reflect the rich heritage of the coastal communities.
Fill your life with a bit of happiness and hope. And this was just one of those things where we're given hope through them interacting with life below water.
Muchuma Odim, Magical Scenes in Malindi, the county of Kilifi.